Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a Microsoft account, payment method, and two-factor authentication. Once those are ready, sign into the Partner Center and choose Developer Enrollment. This begins identity verification and tax/contact information. Make sure to select whether you register as an individual or company because the verification steps differ. Complete the initial payment and accept the developer agreement so your account can advance to the next configuration steps. This unlocks dashboard access and app publishing options. Now configure the account. Fill in tax forms, add banking info, and authorize payout settings so Microsoft can process transactions. Next, request Cloud Gaming or Xbox Live SKU access from the dashboard. This grants entitlement to cloud deployment tools. Assign team roles and app permissions, give yourself admin rights, and add developers with specific scopes. Once done, link your Azure subscription or resource group if prompted, and prepare your game package, following the platform's packaging and certification guidelines to move toward deployment. Finish by submitting your title for certification and enabling cloud deployment flags so Xbox Cloud Gaming can host builds. Monitor the submission status in the dashboard, respond promptly to any certification notes, and upload revised packages as required. Make sure build ID match what the entitlement request expects. Mismatches cause failures. If something goes wrong, check the detailed build and deployment logs, confirm entitlement flags, and role permissions. Then resubmit fixes quickly. This shortens review cycles and resolves most blocking issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.